29 has a power rule and a division rule. We talked about this yesterday. We did them in baby steps, and I'm going to do this one in baby steps again today. What do you do first, power or division? Power. Always the power rule first. Okay, so on the top, we're going to leave that alone for now. Okay, on the bottom, what do you do with the exponents on power rule? You're going to multiply them. So we're going to get x to the, what is 3 times 2? 6. Y to the 3 times 3? 9. Okay, now that our power rule is done, now we can do our division rule. Okay, so our division rule, there's really a 1 right here. And we always subtract on the top. So you're going to get x to the, what is 1 minus 6? Negative 5. Y to the negative 3 minus 9.
6. Wait, sorry. Oh, negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay, and then we got to move some stuff. Where does the x to the negative 5 go? Bottom. Y to the negative 12. Bottom. What goes on top?
1.
A 1. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Can I scroll? Okay, 30. We are doing simplifying radicals. What are the only numbers you are allowed to circle, group?
2, 3, 4. Oh no. 2, 3,
2, 3, 5, 7. If there's no number on the outside, what is it? A 2. Okay, so 245. Five and 49. Okay, and then 49 is going to be 7 and 7. Who can go? The 2 7s, okay? So they're going to go in a group. And where do they go? Outside. Who can't go? 5. Are there going to be times where everybody can go? Yes, absolutely. Okay, do we leave the radical? If there's nothing in it, do you write it down? No. Okay, it looks goofy, so don't do me something like this, and this was the problem yesterday. Don't leave me like that, okay? It's 12, okay? That's not our answer. That has nothing to do with this, okay? So don't be goofy, but, okay, 32. What is the very first thing you should do? Drop down the negative 5. Okay, 144.
2 and 72.
2 and 72?
2 and 18.
Okay, who can go? 2 groups of 2 and a group of 3s. The group number is not 5. Why is it not 5?
Because it's not small.
Yeah, okay, that's not our index, it's not 5. Okay, so we have 1 2 for that one, another 2 for that one, and a 3 for this one. Okay, now we have how many V's? We have 4. My suggestion for you for the variables would be to write them out. Okay, and then how many can go? All of them, and how many groups? 2. Who is left on the inside? Nothing. Okay, so what is negative 5 times 2 times 2 times 3? Negative 60. So you're going to get negative 60 V to the 2. Do we leave the square root? No, okay? Because there's nobody left on the inside. We don't write it like that. Okay, that looks goofy. Your answer is just negative 60 V2. Okay, and then lastly, a bunch of you guys got the one that I gave you wrong yesterday on this one. I don't know what you were doing, but your numbers were not right. Okay, I couldn't even figure out how you got the numbers Okay, it is so, so important sometimes to show your work. On your test, you're gonna get them all wrong because you didn't show me any work, and so you're gonna miss more points than you should have, okay? At least tomorrow, write out the formula so I can see what you did to know if you, like, know what you're doing, okay? If you use the formula and you put your numbers in the wrong spot, that's okay. I can work with that. But if you didn't use the formula and you just got some random numbers, I don't know what you were doing, okay? So, our phone battery life starts out at 741 minutes. And we say 1, is it going to be plus or minus? Plus. 1 plus 0.03 to the 19. They want to know after 19 months, what is our phone life going to be? Someone said to me in one of my freshman classes, well, I don't like using a calculator. Cool, I got it. You got to on this one. Okay, that's like I have to. This part you could figure out, it's 1.03, but if you can do to the 19th power in your head, you should not be in this class anyways. You should be in honors, okay? You need to use a calculator on this. Like, there's no doubt in my mind. Okay, and what are you gonna get for this? Somebody.
1, 2.
Somebody agree with that number? Do we leave the decimal? Okay, what is an example of when you would not leave the decimal? People, right? You can't have 0.34 of a people, okay? Anything that can be measured, you leave the decimal. I.e. minutes, money, millimeters, centimeters, megatons, months, years, okay? But if it's like people, then that's a no-go, okay? The rest is for you guys. Get them done. Put it in the box back there. And then if you didn't finish yours from yesterday, try to get that turned in today, and I will have them graded and give them back for you tomorrow so you can use it on your test.